All right, welcome into the show, Creative Crypto here. And today, guys, I just want to take a look at the markets and show you guys some recent updates with the trades that we've been doing, how some of the copy trading has been going as well, and to show you guys that patience is key in crypto. You got to have patience, you got to have a stomach for volatility because the market is very volatile, especially the meme coin market. So we've seen crypto have a correction the last couple days. And there's a reason for it, guys. It's because there's some fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, around Uniswap because the SEC is targeting Uniswap. I'm not exactly sure what they're trying to say Uniswap is doing illegally or what they're trying to do. It's basically just the SEC trying to get their hands on some of the revenue from Uniswap like they tend to do with all industries in the world. They want to try to get their cut of everything, and Uniswap is no different. So they're going after them, and that's really what's caused the market to crash the last couple days. And really, it's a lot to do about nothing because I don't think the SEC is going to win that case. I think it's going to be the same type of thing with XRP. They try to get these companies, these crypto projects to pay up. Some of them do, some of them don't, some of them fight it. And so we'll see what happens. And because of that, Uniswap has raised their trading fees, which is a 67% fee increase. So it's already super expensive to trade on Ethereum as it is with the Ethereum gas fees, and now they're upping their fee for Uniswap. So I don't like to see that, but this could be a positive for us that are using other blockchains like Solana, like Base, like Pulse Chain. Those blockchains could actually benefit from this because maybe some more trading volume will go over to those blockchains. But guys, this really is the time to not be fearful, not be scared, not sell your bags. This is the time to accumulate because we are so close to the Bitcoin halving. There's always a pre-halving correction, and we are in that same phase. Not only are we getting the pre-halving correction, but we're getting the FUD with the Uniswap, SEC news, and some other stuff going on as well. So this crypto market really reacts to news very harshly. Whether it's good news or bad news, the market reacts to news. It's usually just whales messing around and moving their bags and selling or buying. That's really what causes the market to move. But some good things we've seen here is the largest gainers is this cat in a dog's world, which is Mew. Now, Mew is a coin that our copy trader that we've been copying on this channel that I found in a video a couple weeks ago. This trader's been accumulating a lot of Mew tokens, okay, as you can see, going back all the way a couple days ago. He actually put his entire stack into Mew. It's pretty insane, guys. When I saw that, I knew that this coin was going to pump because this type of trader is not going to put this much Solana into this token. As you can see, just 300, basically went all in on Mew. Up until yesterday, they had no Solana in the account. They just basically bought all Mew tokens. And so that's been interesting to watch. And so if you're copy trading this trader as well, your account has the same amount of Mew tokens. And they also just acquired this one here, this Stanley Cup coin. And I think they just got one 8 minutes ago. Let's see. Yeah, they went back to all in cat. So I'll have to check that one out as well. But guys, this is just an example of having patience. So this is why you want to have a section of your portfolio into copy trading that will be able to copy these profitable traders and be able to copy their moves. Because I personally probably would have not looked into this coin. And because the copy trader did, my account did. And it's been up a good amount here. As you can see, 81% the last 24 hours. If we go over here to look at my positions on the Trojan trading bot, you can see that we're up 45% on this Mew position. So we're holding steady, guys. I'm also holding this one here, Michi coin. Stan coin's up a little bit as well. So all in all, even in a down market, trading can still be profitable. And especially when the market recovers, the meme coins are going to recover even faster. Now I want to show you guys something very interesting as well. Now look at this chart here. This is the Mew chart. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a second chart and something that is very eye-opening and can be a great lesson, especially if you're newer in crypto and you're not used to this volatility. I'm going to show you something that will really enlighten you and teach you a valuable lesson here in cryptocurrency. Now take a look at this chart here, guys. This chart is from Dog with Hat, one of the biggest and most successful meme coins on Solana. Now this is when it started back on November 20th. Okay, look how it went up and dumped and then just kind of went flat there. We look at the Mew chart, it's very, very similar. And what's interesting is if you look at the time frame from the Mew chart, we have 19 days. Okay, go back over here to the WIF chart. We have 17 days. So pretty close. Okay, pretty similar. But the look of it is very similar on the chart, guys. Okay, now, if you were an early investor in WIF and you just sold on this initial pump, let's say you bought in right here and in 2 days, it went up 180%. You're like, yeah, I'm good. Okay, and you sold out. That would have been one of the biggest mistakes that you could have made, because if you would have just had some patience and waited, you would see this chart fully develop, guys. Okay, look at this. Look at what happens. Okay, now granted, this isn't going to happen to all meme coin charts, but as you can see, you need to have a longer term mindset. Okay, look at the difference. We went from this to all of a sudden we're way up here. Okay, at a much higher price. This actually is an increase of 1,000,000%. Okay, guys, so just some crazy stuff there. Just a good example that you never know, because what if you had bought in here, got scared on this dump, and sold out at a 50% loss, going, yeah, this coin's just a pump and dump. They're not in this for anything, and I'm out of here. And then you take the 50% loss, or you just break even and you get out. 3 days in, you would have lost out on all of this, guys, okay? And I'm going to show you an example of a wallet, because I've been researching wallets in different aspects because I'm trying to find, of course, good wallets to copy trade. So I've been diving into successful coins, looking at early wallets that got into there, and seeing if any of those are worth copy trading. That's above and beyond what I've showed you here on the channel using Dex Screener, but that's something that eventually I will make a video on because I do think it's pretty interesting, but I'm just kind of testing it out and seeing. You can see I found this wallet, okay? Now, this wallet, unfortunately, didn't have the right approach, okay? You can see 5 months ago, they bought 18,800 WIF tokens, dog with hat, and they only paid $2.24. So very small. So this is obviously somebody that doesn't have a big bankroll. They are trading with a couple dollars here and there. A couple dollars to this trader is probably a lot of money. What they did then is they sold a little bit here a few days later for 55 cents. 4,700 WIF tokens for 55 cents. So they got a little bit back on their investment. And then they sold a little bit more for $1.11. So they've recouped $1.60 from their initial $2.24 investment. Then they sold for a third time and got rid of their bags for the rest of the 56 cents. So basically, they broke even. Okay, they literally held this coin for only a few hours, guys. Okay, just really crazy to see this. They basically broke even. They spent $2.24 and they got back about the same amount. Now, that amount of WIF today, we put it in here, the calculator, is worth $56,000. Okay, this trader, who obviously doesn't have very much money, and a couple dollars is a lot to them, all they had to do was hold this coin for 5 months. They just had to wait 5 months, and they would have made life-changing money. Instead, they had the short-term, fearful mindset to want to recoup their initial investment and even just break even because they got scared on the chart. Okay, this scared them. They thought, oh, this is going to rug. But guess what? It did the opposite of rug. Okay, it went to the moon. And you don't want to be this guy. Okay, you don't want to be this trader that misses out on life-changing money because they were too short-term mindset and couldn't have the long-term approach to at least give these coins 5 or 6 months. Now, of course, you don't want to do this for all meme coins because you'll end up holding a lot of bags and you'll end up losing a lot of money. But on a select few, if you notice the chart is recovering, don't panic on the first red candle. Okay? Don't panic on the first red candle and go, oh, let's just get out. Okay? You need to wait and see how it develops, especially if this first red candle doesn't go all the way down here. Okay? If it goes all the way down here, it's dead. But this one went about 50%. Then the next day, went up a little bit more. Got steady. Okay, Let's continue to hold. Let's continue to hold. Okay, bam. Huge pump up. Now you're up here. Now it's like, man, I'll continue to just hold and hold and hold. Of course, maybe you'll take some profits up here. Maybe take a little bit of profit up here. But always just save some. Even if this trader wanted to recoup their initial $2, I get it. Times are tough. But at least keep, 800 coins or 1,000 coins, 10% of your stack, just in case. Because even if they had just kept 10% of their stack, which would be 1,800 coins, go back over here, okay, 1,885, that's almost $6,000. So, I get it. You want to recoup your initial investment. Everybody does. Everybody wants to make money quick. But having a longer term patient mindset is going to make you a lot more money in the long run, especially with meme coin. Now, of course, there's different category of meme coins. There's blue chip meme coins like the dog with hat coin. But of course, in the beginning, nobody knew it was a blue chip coin. They thought it could potentially just be a pump and dump rug coin. You have to still have strong hands and be patient and see how it develops. Because there is going to be trades where, you get in and out quickly on some coins. That's fine. But if you're doing manually trading yourself and finding these coins, it's just a lesson to you guys that if you're going to take some profit, make sure you keep a little bit of the coin just in case, because you never know. You never know in crypto, guys. Sometimes the coins that you least expect end up being the ones that are the most successful. I'm sure if you guys have been around crypto long enough, you have a story similar to this, maybe not as harsh. I know I do. I know I've done that with plenty of coins. There was times back in 2018, 2019 where I was selling a lot of Ethereum for $200, $300, $400. Look how much I lost out on today. Even Bitcoin sold a bunch in 2018, 2019. So it really takes these type of lessons and learning experiences to improve your process and improve your strategy, because you really don't want to miss out on these things, guys, because those type of things don't come around all the time. Okay, so you want to take advantage of it. All right, now another coin here that we've been following is WEN coin. Now, WEN, I showed you guys in a video back a couple weeks ago as well, when we had pumped up here. I actually drew this line, this exact trend, and it's actually kind of crazy how it's mimicked this. It's almost like I have the cheat code to this game. I mean, they're literally following the exact line I drew. This is actually pretty mind-boggling stuff, guys. And what's crazy is it hit this support, but then we also hit this one that I drew. I'll leave the link to the video if you guys want to go back and check my work and see how I predicted this exact trend for WEN here. Now, originally, I didn't think we'd get lower than this, but I told you guys in a recent video that I did put buy orders here and here. So both of my buy orders did get gobbled up, and especially this was a great one here because this buy order is already up around 47%, 46%. So that's really nice to see. And really the goal is to get, from here to here would be 50%, up here would be 100%. So what I'm going to do is, because this is a swing trade, I'm going to put two different sell orders, one here and one here back to the all-time high. And I'm going to do that with Jupiter. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that. So the first one, because this is in USDC to WEN. So I'm going to put it right here, just underneath, just because I'm sure maybe some of you guys are going to copy, some bots are going to copy, and I want to get it just a little bit underneath. Now, normally traders aren't going to show you their exact entry and exit points because then the market can go against them, but I don't really care because I just want to enlighten you guys on what I'm doing here. So we'll put one here, and then we'll put one right here at 4.8. So I was able to accumulate 84,000 WEN. That's basically what I did. I put in about $17 or $18 in USDC. So it is up a little bit because of the laddering positions. So we are currently in profit on this, but not by very much. So this is when we're going to make the real profit. So first we'll put one here at 3.5. So I'll put this at 3.5. So that's a 49% increase, and we're only going to do half. So we'll do 42. Okay. So that'll basically return us what we put in, almost our initial investment in the swing trade. So we will place that order here. All right. And then we're going to place the other 42,000 up here. Back to the all-time high, we'll say at 48. Okay, so we'll do 48. So that's a 100% increase. That'll return $20. So basically, my $18 swing trade is going to go up 100%, which is exactly what I predicted that we could do on WEN coin. So basically, I'm going to turn $18 into $36 at the end of this. So we'll place this limit order here as well. Confirm that right there. That's the cool thing about Jupiter, guys, is you can do the limit orders on here. So I don't have to worry about this now, is we've put our price targets in here. And when the coin reaches that, it'll automatically get processed for us. That's why I like to do a little bit of manually swing trading as well as having the copy trading bot looking for other profitable traders and looking for meme coins myself to get in early and trade. Those are really the three things I do on Solana right now. So using a combination of those three is easier to be profitable because you're not relying on just one aspect to make you all the money. You don't want to just rely 100% on copy trading. You don't want to rely 100% on your own trading because, you can make mistakes as well, and you want to diversify. And that's why you get exposure to other traders, and then you also can concentrate on your own trading. So it kind of frees you up to be able to have time to do your own trading while you know that your bot is trading some other profitable traders as well. And with this, I'm not using my bot wallet for this. I'm using a different wallet. Only use the bot wallet for trading with the bot and have a different wallet that you use for your own trading. And then I would even recommend having a third wallet that you never do any type of interactions with websites or anything with. You basically just hold your SOL there. And that would be just your holding wallet. And then you have your trading wallet, and then you have your bot wallet. So you have basically three different wallets. And so play it safer that way. That's kind of the way that I like to attack crypto in general. So those trades are all set. And of course, I'm holding some more WEN as well if it pumps higher than this, okay? Because I am going to have a bag that I hold for the long term as well, because I got these airdropped and there's really no reason to just dump them, because as you can see as well, look at how high we went up. Because you don't want to be like this guy as well, because this guy that traded the WIF coin, he got some WEN as well, dumped that right away, got some Jupiter, dumped that as well. This trader really needs to have a better long-term mindset, but this is the type of thing that you can learn from, guys. Don't be like this. Don't be so short-term mindset and fearful that as soon as you get a coin, you have to sell it. You have to sell it. You're afraid to hold it. Don't be afraid to hold. Holding is where the real money is made. So I just thought this would be pretty insightful for you guys to learn from and to see an example here on having patience and being able to stomach the volatility in the market, especially in the meme coin market. It's pretty big, guys. It's pretty big. Now, real quick, this is another trader that we were following I found in the last video. This guy's not as good, not as reputable. This one I'm just testing out with a small amount for a few days. Today's been up and down, basically losing day today. I'm going to give him 24 hours more and see if he can turn it around, because when I look at his past 7-day profit here on Zelfie Guru, you notice that they got 4 positive days in a row of profit, then a losing day, then a winning day, then a losing day. So today's a losing day. So I'm hoping tomorrow is a rebound day. Okay, we'll see. If it's another losing day, I'm going to pause this trader. I'm not going to copy trade them. I'll continue to just monitor their wallet and see how they're doing, a few days after that. That's kind of my process with the copy trading. I told you guys this in the last video, is blue chip traders like this, who this guy's successful, you can check their SOL transfers and see they are making tons of profit and they have a ton of SOL that they are pulling out of trades. This type of trader, I give minimum 1 week, usually 2 weeks, because I want to get the full aspect of their trading. Sometimes even upwards of 30 days, because I really want to get the full aspect, because I know history is on our side because they are a profitable trader. Higher risk traders like this that get into these, coins like this monkey coin that they got in. We actually made profit off of this, but it was just a straight pump and dump. There's other coins like, I think it's this one here, 2.9 SOL turned into 1.8. No, that's not too bad. But a couple of these just completely rugged out, like this one, 2.97. Yeah, this one was a complete rug, puppy coin. So traders like this, I give 3 days, and I monitor the coins that they're trading and see what kind of coins they're trading. If they're just quick pump and dumps, if a lot of them are rugs, then I will pause the trading after 3 days, and I'll just continue to check in manually, look at their wallet, and see how they've been doing. But yeah, 3 days is really the max for these high-risk traders. The blue chip traders like this, like I said, you got to give them a full run and see what they're capable of doing, because the track record speaks for itself. So guys, that's really it for this video. Just want to give you guys the updates on the market and kind of put it into perspective for you guys, because I've been in crypto over 7 years now and I've seen this market time and time again. being able to read these charts and know what these prices are going to do. Like, for example, with WEN coin, how I just could see that this was going to happen exactly like this and nailed it right on the nose. I mean, of course it went a little bit under here, but that's why you ladder out positions as well. And in all, it just followed it to the T. And I couldn't have known this without my experience in this cryptocurrency market and knowing charting and knowing the way coins move. And you learn that just in time and experience, guys. You will learn that as well. You will find that experience as well. It just takes time. It just takes practice. It just takes actual being in the field and looking at charts and diving in deep. That's how you're really going to acquire the knowledge in this space. Watching videos, watching other YouTubers, learning as much as you can. That's really how you're going to acquire the knowledge in the cryptocurrency space. So guys, I hope you're having a great day out there wherever you guys are. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you ever gotten out of a coin too early? Do you have any major regrets on selling too early? Let me know down below. I'll be interested to hear your experience with it. If you found value and knowledge from this video, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll continue to update you guys here along the journey with these meme coins, with trading, with DeFi, with airdrops. I'll do my best to give you guys the best content and the best insight into this cryptocurrency market. So until the next time we will talk again, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.